Hi, it's Steve from SMC County Garage. Now this could be the best thing for pet hair removal that we've tried in a very long time. This is called the Fur-Zoff, something like that. Fur-Zoff, I think that's how they call it. It's not pretty, but it works, and it's a lot like a pumice stone. Now we've just had this vehicle come into our stock, which we're having to clean, and just from applying very gentle pressure on the carpet mats, you can see that this customer that's had a four-legged friend in the back of his car has actually managed to shed most of his hair onto the mat. So we're just doing a couple of passes front to back, and it's gathering up pretty much everything in its wake. Now once we've collected the majority, we've just been using the normal Henry Hoover just to take it all away. Now we were very impressed with this. We've tried all sorts of things. We've had different brushes over the years. And then now when we go across, we've put it into one corner, and you can see how the Henry makes fairly light work of it, but we still have to go over it numerous times to get the right pass. Now at the end, all we've needed to do is just brush that little corner just to collect the worst of it, and then you'll see it's left the mat in very, very good shape. Hope you found this useful. I know there's a lot of people out there with a dog. Thanks a lot. Look at that. Perfect.